Welcome! In this video, I'll show how you can download and install the DeepSeek app on an iOS device. So first step that you need to take is to launch the App Store. Now open the search section and type in the DeepSeek query. Once this particular app is found, open its app page and tap on the Get button here if that's your first time installing this app. If that's not your first time getting it, as is in my case, instead of a Get button, you'll see this little cloud download icon. Anyway, if that's your first time, press Get button, then confirm the purchase by either performing the Face ID check or, input in your Apple ID password. And now once the app is downloaded and installed, you can launch it, sign up for a DeepSeek account, and start using it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.